Okay, sequence A. So the first thing we're asked to do is find our sequence generator or our growth pattern. And the sequence is -4, -1, 2, 5. So what's happening to get from here to here, and then from here to here, and then from here to here? So it looks like we are adding 3 each time. So our sequence generator would either be +3, or you could say add 3, lots of different ways that you could write that. And then what are the next 3 terms in the sequence? And then you can just put those right in your table. So the next 3 terms in the sequence would be, let's see, if we add 3 to that, we're going to get 8. So that is term 5. If I add 3 to 8, I'm going to get 11. That's term 6. And then if I add 3 to that, I'm going to get 14, so that's term 7. And then I'm just going to plot those right on the graph. So we'll plot the point 5, 8, 6, 11, and 7, 14. And just as an added question here, because it doesn't ask this on the slide, but if I ask you to describe what this graph looks like, it sort of looks like it's going to be a linear function.